Yeah, so like now on the bottom right, if you look at my screen,
Yeah.
there's like links down there, and we have like the YouTube link. Okay.
I'm pretty sure that was on my screen last time. Like, it's not on my screen right now, so it might only be on the...
It's whoever hosts it.
Oh.
Yeah, so I totally had that, but...
Don't worry about it, it's fine.
Okay, now we're going.
So, who wants to go first?
Well, is Gabby joining or no?
No.
Okay. Do we want to just screen share it?
I guess I could screen share my answer.
Yeah, I'll just screen share.
You want to go first?
Yeah, I'll go.
Wait, what are we supposed to be doing in this scrum?
Supposed to be reviewing each other's work and seeing if it's you want to add anything to it. I'm not gonna add anything. I don't know anything. What the hell? Just it's gonna be infinite tone. Not even doing it. There we go.
Okay.
So, let's see. You guys can see that, right?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay.
Whoa, hold on. Your desktop.
Fantastic.
Alright.
Nice. So, I guess I'll just read everything I have. Can you guys want to read it? Can you see it?
You just go over it, I guess. I'll listen.
Oh, I guess I don't even have the questions. This is the question. I did 5 and 6.
Oh, did you do the last question?
Yeah.
Can you send that to me?
It was like real simple, just like what have you learned and shit.
Oh,
I mean, it's I'm gonna watch this. What is what? Anyway. I feel like I wrote a lot, but whatever. So 5 was following with respect to pivotal tracker. Describe the typical lifestyle of a fictitious user story from start to finish. Okay. So I wrote the first step on a life cycle of a user story is to be added to pivotal tracker and giving it a difficulty rating. I'm correcting myself, or point. The story can be a feature or a choice. Match what the client is asking for. It has to be written in an extra format, which is as follows.
I can't really hear you too well.
You can't hear me?
Now I can hear you. Before it was just
couldn't hear what I was...
Is that a Rick and Morty background?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you didn't hear anything of what I said?
No, I heard it. It's good. I like it.
Good enough. Yeah. A user story is considered a chore if its only purpose is to debug or if it's once the user. Once a story is entered into pivotal tracker, all members can read about it and decide if they would like to work on it. If they decide they would like to work on it, they click Start and the story is current. As soon as the programmer he or she then clicks Finish. Now the code goes to a test environment so other programmers can run their acceptance tests. Once it's run the test environment, it can deliver on pivotal tracker so the team can perform acceptance tests. If the feature passes off the test, the Q&A team clicks Accept on the pivotal tracker and the feature is now complete. If any tests fail, the Q&A will press Reject and the cycle restarts and the programmer works on the story again. That's what I have today.
Sounds good.
Yeah. E is explain the meaning of each entry and describe its usage. So we got title is just the name of the feature or description. Story type is 1 of 4. Feature, chores, bugs, features that are related to the functionality of the software. Each feature must be written in the Connextra format and has a point to measure the difficulty of it. What is that? Really loud name. Sure.
I don't think we have to go through and read everything, right?
Don't read everything. But
I mean, this.
It's a lot of stuff.
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
go
it's unless you think I need to add anything.
Nope.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. But,
I think it looks
hey,
good.
how do we? Well, can you see all this stuff? What is all? What am I gonna put here?
I think we have to.
Wait, what is it that you have right there?
This is like, where did I get this? I didn't even know. It was like on the top of the document. I guess for fun.
Oh. Okay. And we only need one copy, or?
No, I have no idea. I literally have no idea how she wants. But with the YouTube link we're hanging up
What about Alex? What are we doing about him?
I don't know anything about Alex.
What do you mean, like, first?
Like, he should
There's
be.
2 questions left in the pivotal tracker, and I don't see his
I mean, let's just submit it without his questions. There's nothing wrong with
Yeah,
that.
we don't have him. Right.
I mean, it's his, you know, he hasn't been around. Like, what can we do? Like, I'm not frustrated.
Rose said she wants to meet on over code. I don't really want to do that.
When else would we meet?
Friday.
Yeah, it's really late.
Maybe we can do it after the final on Monday, tomorrow.
Sure.
Because I'm looking to leave either Tuesday or Wednesday, so.
Oh, damn.
I don't want to wait until Friday to do that.
Yeah, I mean, it's really not gonna. I don't know how they have a 4-hour slot. Like, what do they do? A demo for 4 hours? I figured we were gonna demo for like 3 minutes.
Let's just get this done.
Yeah.
And we all have to submit.
I don't know how she wants to submit the final. I'm so confused. I'm just gonna bring my computer, I guess.
I'm just gonna look at. I'm gonna look at the final because I don't. If I log out of my Google account, I'll still stay in this chat, won't I? No, definitely not. I can't log out.
Oh, there he goes. Goodbye.
What?
Hopefully we can get him back in here.
What happened? Oh, he left?
Yeah,
Damn it.
that did not work out.
No. What?
Shit. Can I add him back?
I don't know. I feel like he should just be able to accept the invite again. I don't even have like an invite option. I can't even do it.
I don't know where to invite him from.
Unless you go back, you can go back to the other page. Oh no, you're already there. You should be able to click this little thing, this little camera.
Oh, there we go. Good.
Units?
Hey.
Okay, good.
Welcome back.
Alright, now look at the final.
Okay. Any of this shit. I mean, this is my question. This is my answer to 6. About paired programming is like pretty simple. I don't know how much to discuss. Probably be easy because just look at it. Oh. No? Can you hear me?
Yeah, hello.
Look up. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good.
It's good?
Let me read it. Hold on.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah. Truly an inspiration, Matt.
Yeah.
I mean, pair programming is two programmers like sitting side by side and working on the same piece of code. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much what it is.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's.
Oh, you have a typo in C, so
What, I have a typo?
yeah, a huge disadvantage of paired programming is it involves. There you go.
Nice.
Good revision.
So that's real.
You could just say like grammar fixes.
Yeah. What was it before? In blogs, okay. Alright, remind me. Done? Alright. Oh my god. The reading or what? Anyone here?
Yeah. Hey.
Do you need like another revision for it?
No, I'm just saying, like, are you good? Or, I'm trying to scroll up.
I mean, yeah. I was
Yeah, okay.
All right. Should I go over mine now?
Yeah, just give me 1 second.
Hey, Gabby. How are we supposed to submit the final?
Collaboratively, all of the one class.
Alright, but for each group, should each group submit its own questions? Alright, whatever, Gab. It's okay. I say we submit our questions all in one.
Like a Google Doc?
Yeah, something like that.
There's a lot of stuff written on the class.
What?
Like, there's a lot of stuff
I make a Google Doc, I guess.
Okay, alright, I'm gonna look at Slack, hold on. Should I pull up my stuff next?
Yeah.
Okay.
Slack didn't really say anything. It was a lot of nothing.
Yeah, I feel bad. Screen share.
Oh wait, she said we could put it on this one. Another person can do it, Or no, I don't even know.
Hold on. Okay, hold on. Sorry, guys, I'm just.
You
I'm
want to just
not,
do
yeah,
mine
I'm
first?
not
I have it open right now.
What? Yeah, you can go.
All right, I am sharing now, right?
Mm.
Can you see my desktop?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Where did I put this file? Where did I put this file? I had it here before. I might have put it in. Hold on. Give me a minute.
All right.
Sorry.
Okay, let's just do mine while you look for that.
All right, fine.
Can you see it
Wait, it
fine?
doesn't work unless. How do I just view Matt's page?
You can click on my picture on the bottom right. It should stay on mine.
I found it. We can see yours if you want.
We'll just do. We already got it. Define
All right.
ASP and explain why it failed. As a business switch was. Well, that I don't really know much about that, so that sounds good to me. Software as a service is a software distribution model which is centrally hosted and available to subscription over the network, becoming popular delivery model with technologies that support web. That sounds great.
Moving along.
Yeah, I don't know. How am I gonna like think of things to say? I don't know. I'm really mostly checking.
Looks good to me.
Wait,
Anything you want to add about cloud computing?
Cloud computing is delivery of computers. Practice follows network and remote. I didn't even know we learned about cloud computing.
Okay, I haven't done these two yet, so we're just gonna skip them. Come on, make a revision to something here.
All right.
You want to like add like companies that use cloud computing? Like
Fine.
it's
Delivery of
I don't even know what
computing
that's.
service on demand excellence service so that rather than a local server. I guess isn't with cloud computing, it's like cheap to add computing power, right? I forget specifically what I was reading, but I don't know. It's as easy as just adding more computers. No, something like that.
okay. How would I word that?
Yeah. I guess that would be the way to put it. To the service, to
To handle a heavier.
yes, perfect.
So
Am I up?
no, that was just one of the questions. Hold on, just give me 1 second.
Cool.
Whichever for you looks good. Okay.
I hope this doesn't screw up. I'm trying to get access. Oh wait, does this work? Oh, there we go. Now I have access to this.
Okay. Next question.
Alright, 1 second. I'm gonna get it.
Yeah.
Okay. Define responsiveness. I'm just going. Hold on. proceed away between the response. Once it's just don't sleep. This is the initial magic.
Response is received away between one user. Yeah, responsiveness is fine.
Yeah, that all looks right. Is that a word? Is that right?
Quant. I took it right from the textbook.
Okay.
I guess it
Takes
is.
quantities of relate to distribution over a specific time window. Okay.
Whatever. That's good.
Yeah.
I didn't do those two yet, so we'll just skip those to this one.
Okay.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Do you want to add anything to this?
I'm not.
Well, I mean, I
I'm not good.
think it's the only outline.
Very correct.
He already wrote them down, Anthony, and he's like, hey, comments?
Something.
No. It's fine. Just make sure I'm not being too loud. I guess the only thing I would add is that this kind of attack isn't just a particular to SQL. Like I think I've heard of this before, just happening in any program where you try to pass in inputs that are cause like overflow, or you pass in inputs that overwrite a certain section of code, and then it just changes the behavior of the program. Like if you were to like pass something that would like overflow on the stack.
Similar
Yeah.
to.
Like I'm pretty sure here I can find the name of it. Because I remember something like this being brought up in 220. I really liked 220.
How's that? This is similar to buffer overflow.
Yeah, it's similar to a code injection attack. That's what I would put. There's a Wikipedia page if you want. If you want to Google it, put it in.
Okay. What about you, Matt? Do you want to? We'll just fix this word. Change this for another word. About the.
Like they can be found in other things besides SQL. That's really it. That's all I'd mention. It can be found in other places.
I don't even know what that's supposed to say.
Hey, I just took it straight out of the book. What should I replace that word with, though? The
form of quantitative statement about the
quantiles?
quantile.
Quantiles? I guess that's pronounced. I think I've heard that word before.
I don't know what that means, man.
yeah.
Quantiles? Quantiles. That's right.
Quintiles? No.
Quintiles. Quantiles. Whatever.
What the hell did I do? What did I do? Fixed.
Thank you. Buffer overflow. Thank you. That's, yeah. use the word. Alright,
We're done.
Make it sound like I said that.
Alright, can I share it now?
Yeah.
Alright. Last. So, I had questions 10 and 19, and I'll start off with question, question 19, I'll start off with that. So you got, what is BDD and what is the purpose? And I just put that BDD is asking questions about the behavior of an application before and during
Why is that so
development.
small?
Can you not see?
Just zoom in a little on it. Yeah, nice.
Oh, I feel like it's not as big as Matt's just was. Oh, there we go. That's fine. That's fine.
Alright. BDD is asking questions about the behavior of an application before and during development. The purpose of this is so stakeholders do not miscommunicate. BDD focus on validation and building the right thing. So, you know,
Yeah,
as
that's
you
all I
imagine.
would say about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly what I would say about that.
Going back, B, what tool? Here.
What question is this? I could just look at it. I have the file up, so. 19?
Yeah. What tool do we use to transform user stories into acceptance into integration tests? You know, when it's accepted, I put that we use Cucumber. You know.
Oh, yeah.
Behavior.
That's right.
Yep. C, what tool do we use to simulate the user interacting with the browser to perform steps of the scenario? I put straight. I mean, a lot of this is straight out of the textbook, guys. You know, like Capybara puts the SaaS application through its paces by simulating a user in a browser performing the steps of a scenario. Cool.
Yeah, that's all right.
All right. Define, explain the difference between validation and verification.
Building the right thing, yeah. This means the product delivery meets the customer's needs exactly. Verification refers to the product working as specified with expected notification.
Cool.
Yeah, go with me. I mean, that sounds right. That's right. Question.
Couldn't find. I've had trouble finding this one.
Regression testing.
Yeah, I don't really. I don't know. I'm gonna look into that. I'll find it. All right. I think I know where to find it. But for now, let's skip it. Here it just says define and explain the use of stubs and drivers for testing in the context of planned document testing methods. This is a little weird. I put that drivers are used in bottom-up integration, which is like part of the planning and documenting phase, because they replace the functionality of a calling module. You could have a module called A whose functional dependencies have been completely finished, so you have like some separate module that you want to test, but the part of the program that would actually use that module hasn't even been done yet, so you make a driver.
Okay.
I mean, if you ever think about, you've made a driver file to call your functions to test your code. Have you ever done that?
Yeah.
So, I mean, does this make sense? No.
Yep.
That makes sense to me, yeah.
And then, and I mean, you would use that in bottom-up integration because in bottom-up you're starting with your most low-level functional unit.
Yeah, that's right. Well?
Hello? What happened to him?
Oh, and Tony? Tony?
See,
I don't know if he's his mouse, I can see his mouse moving.
he's not even moving on mine. Oh, God.
Now it's not moving. Now it just moved. I don't know.
I'm going to go to the bathroom really quick.
Huh?
Did he make it? Oh, he's still gone?
Yeah.
So do you think we should have all of our questions on a Google Doc?
Yeah, I'm putting mine on the Google Doc right now.
Do we have a link for that? Is that in the main Slack channel?
Yeah. You gotta make sure it's like on your Binghamton account. Though. Oh, you already on it.
Yeah. Oh, does it need to be formatted properly and everything?
Like, I
It
guess.
does.
Oh, what the hell?
Do you want to call them and see what's happening?
I wasn't even referring to that, but 1 second. The camera. I should probably just turn the camera off. It's killing my computer has no idea what's going on. So focused. Just gonna put on nothing. It's me from a picture forever ago. Oh, whoops. Wait, what? Oh, pivotal tracker URL, yeah. Yeah, I have to do that. This format sucks. Why would you do that? What the, are you playing the game?
Some dude put his phone number on the bubble. Call him. I'm calling.
Well,
I'm gonna follow.
you're gonna call him?
Actually, call him. Yeah. Should I?
Oh no. this is right. Where the hell is my work?
Hello?
There he is.
Welcome back.
Well,
Oh my god, seriously? You playing the game? Really sorry about that, guys. Alright. Let me get back to what I was doing. Entire screen, I have everything set up already. Okay, there's Matt's beautiful face again. So, we were talking about stubs. That's
yeah.
part still F. Stubs are used in top-down integration because you want to test high-level functionality of a module, but not want to write all the function dependencies for this module.
Yeah, that's right.
It's a little bit different from the driver in the sense that you call a stub, but it's like you would call a stub, but a driver is what's calling what you want to test.
Yeah, that's fine.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right, so that's that. And then G, it says define and describe the following types of plan and document integration testing methods. It says modified bottom-up, modified top-down, modified sandwich, and Big Bang. I wasn't sure what they meant by modified top-down. I just went with what was in the book of bottom-up, top-down, sandwich, and Big Bang, you know?
Yeah, okay.
So, here are all the descriptions.
Oh, yeah, we're going to get bottom of top down. Oh, no.
And then I put...
Don't go to drivers to the best of both worlds. Yeah, I remember that. Yeah,
Yep.
Can you just zoom in again? Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Alright, moving on.
Yeah, that's fine.
Question 10.
Oh, jeez.
It asks... Hold on.
Oh, wait. Describe what a perk chart is, that one?
Yeah, if you want to, you got it. You guys have the
I
question.
got the question.
So I put per chart. It's a project management tool used to schedule, organize, and coordinate
Oh,
tasks
that's a
within a
nice
project.
Yep, great.
I found this picture online. It even, has a key for the graph saying what everything represents.
Yeah, that's going to be right then.
So all these lines, these arrows are, all these lines are tasks, and the arrows, the ordering represents the task dependencies.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the numberings on the line represent the resources that it'll cost. You see the dotted line doesn't represent any resources for that task. So, yeah, and I put per charts will show a graph. I didn't get the chance to organize this yet, but I'm going to make it neater before I submit it.
Right.
So if you look at the requirements, it asks you, can you just pull it up and read what the questions are, Matt?
Well, for 10?
Yeah, for 10.
Describe what a PERT chart is, what it shows, what its limitations are, what a Gantt chart is.
Alright, so yeah, limitation, basically I cover all those questions here. Per chart shows a graphic illustration. Lines represent tasks in the project. Pretty much says it all. What's this saying? What is it? And then I put some of the pitfalls. I found this, and I found this on a website. Pitfalls. The main pitfalls are that changing the critical path. Basically, because you have these like task dependencies and per charts, it's kind of if that changes at all, it's kind of hard to change the whole chart later in the diagram. I mean, later in the project.
Mhm.
So yeah, I mean, if you want to read through this, yeah.
Yeah, the only thing, I think she wants you to, like, scan the pictures, document, like, hand draw it, and then scan it.
That's not going to be able to
Scan it? What do you mean?
Like, I don't think she wants you to submit that picture with your answers. Like, you'd have to, like, redraw it.
Oh, like she wants something that I clearly drew.
Yeah, I think so. She said something about that in the...
Yeah.
All right.
Just letting you know.
No, quite all right, man. Quite all right. So per chart, yeah. And then moving on, the Gantt charts provide a graphical illustration. Here's a Gantt chart. Matt, you know what I'm talking about.
Oh, yeah.
Project management.
That's so cool.
Gantt chart. So here's a description of Gantt charts. And I do a little comparison of Gantt charts and PERT charts. So I look like PERT charts. They are used to organize and schedule projects. Gantt charts give a clear picture of project status. However, unlike PERT charts, they fail to show task dependency. So you only got times up there. And there's no arrows, dependency of tasks. And but this makes them less descriptive in that regard, but easier to change later in the project. If task dependency somehow changed during the project, Gantt charts will provide information back. This should be one sentence. This makes them less descriptive in that regard. But easier to change if test dependency somehow changed. I don't know what that's saying, but I'll change that too. Basically, they're easier to change later in the project because they don't have task dependencies. They're also extremely descriptive about each task. At least automated Gantt charts are. If you were doing it in Microsoft Project or something.
There's one thing. Right under the picture, Gantt is just one T.
All right, yeah, I'm gonna make this much neater, but I mean these are general answers.
I'm just saying. Just trying to make some corrections. That Gantt wrong.
Want some chocolate?
What? Oh yeah. Oh, thank you.
Yeah. It's above the picture.
Free chocolate. Okay. So Gantt is one T.
Under the picture of it as one T. And above the picture also.
Correct.
Oh, you did that. What are you doing?
No, Matt. I'm pretty sure Matt Fan.
No,
I haven't said anything for like the past
I have
5
it. I have
It was
it recorded. We have it proof in a video. I did it.
It's a joke, guys. Come on.
It's 8:40. Oh no.
Yeah, let's wrap this thing up.
All right. So I think we're good at this point. Somebody make a Google Doc and we'll submit all our answers to it. Right?
So there is a Google Doc on Slack already.
Oh, perfect. All right. Then we're good here. We're done.
Okay, so I'll post the link to this Hangout so you can.
All right, sounds good.
All right.
Thank you guys.
Good job. See ya.
Later.